Circle. We see at various places the shapes of a circle in our daily life. Clocks are good examples of circle. Wheels and tires are some examples of circles. Take a bangle and place it on a sheet of paper, and starting from a point, move the pencil along its curved edge. We get a closed curve, and this closed round curve is called the circle. Take a thread and place it along the edge of the circle, starting at a point and ending at the same point. Now, measure the length of this thread. This length is called the circumference of the circle. Take a compass with a pencil slid on it. Draw a circle with the length between the sharp point of the compass and the pencil as 5 cm. We get a perfect circle as shown on the screen. So, we can say that circle is a closed path which is always at a fixed distance from a fixed point. The fixed point O is called the center. The fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is also called the perimeter of the circle. Radius. The radius of the circle is a line segment from the center of the circle to a point on the circle. The plural of radius is radii. In this diagram, O is the center of the circle, and OB and OC are radii of the circle. The radii of a circle are all the same length. Diameter. The diameter of a circle is a line segment that passes through the center of the circle and has its endpoints on the circle. All the diameters of the same circle have the same length. The line segment AOB on the circle shown on the screen is called the diameter of the circle. Chord. A chord is a line segment with both endpoints on the circle. The line CD on the circle is called the chord of the circle. The diameter is a special chord that passes through the center of the circle. The diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Diameter and radius. Look at the circles shown on the screen. The figure 1 shows the diameter of the circle. Figure 2 shows the radius of the circle. From the figures, we can see that diameter is twice the radius. So we can say that diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Semicircle and quadrant. A semicircle is simply half of a circle. That means if you take a circle and slice it down its diameter or fold it along the diameter, you will end up with 2 semicircles. We can see from the figure shown that one circle is equal to 2 semicircles. Quadrant. A quadrant is 1/4 section of a circle which is obtained when a circle is divided evenly into 4 sections, or rather 4 quadrants, by a set of 2 lines which are perpendicular in nature. In the figure, the shaded region is the quadrant. Each of the 4 sections is called a quadrant. When 4 such quadrants are joined, the structure that we get is nothing but a circle. Let's do an activity to understand the basics of circle, semicircle, and quadrant. Step 1. Trace a circle on a paper using any circular object, such as a bangle, and cut along the traced lines. Step 2. Fold the cut circle into half. We will get semicircle. Now, unfold the semicircle and see the pleat formed. This line is called the diameter of circle. Step 3. Again fold the half-folded circle into half. We get a quadrant. Now, open the fold of quadrant. We will see 4 pleats meeting at a common point. This point is called the center of the circle, and pleats meeting at a point are called radii of the circle. From this activity, we can infer that 1. A circle has 2 semicircles. 2. A semicircle has 2 quadrants. 3. A circle has 4 quadrants.